I am looking for volunteers who will let me knit them a sweater for their dogs. On my YouTube channel, I currently teach knitting and plan on to eventually include crocheting and spinning yarn. I stand out amongst other knitting channels because I am known for knitting dog sweaters, which is why I've got my little furry co-star here, Tigger. Every year for Gotcha Day, I made a new sweater featuring some kind of skill or technique I haven't yet tried. The first sweater was just a proof of concept, and failure was an option. Every sweater after that featured a hood, sleeves and a turtleneck, 2 niche crochet, two separate pieces joined together with a seam, incorporating a drawstring, a onesie with heart-shaped Celtic knots, interlac knitting, and using a textured yarn respectively. The latter was completed at the end of May 2025 for our 8th anniversary. I feel like the upcoming big project symbolizes something really special. My next sweater I plan on making for my dog will center around a matching dress for myself to celebrate his 10th sweater and birthday. Considering the Roman numeral for 10 is X and X can be used to symbolize kisses alongside O's for hugs, I also feel that the number 3 is kind of magical. This will be my 3rd dress, and we'll have had 9 years together. 9 is 3 times itself. I don't want to spoil the surprise any more than I already have, so I won't disclose anything further about our future matching outfits. Anyways, guys, I am looking for content creators within the contiguous 48 states for whom I could make customized dog sweaters. What I primarily want in return is simply some footage and photography of your fur babies as they are wearing the sweater I knitted or crocheted for them. I also have launched a GoFundMe campaign where you can support me in an effort to help other creators grow. In addition to volunteers letting me make their dog sweaters, you can also support this endeavor by contributing to our campaign. The link to the related GoFundMe campaign will be in the description below, where you can get more information to support this project and support our channel. I'm trying to redo my channel art so it features other dogs and sweaters besides my own. And I would like a good array of breed diversity represented in my channel art. Tigger is only 30 pounds and he's a mixed breed. And while I have had a few other people allow me to knit sweaters for their dogs, I would like to expand that compilation and respective resume of mine. All breeds are accepted, from the tiniest terriers and chihuahuas to the largest Great Danes and Mastiffs. I don't care what your channel niche is. All I want are dog lovers who are interested in dog sweaters and are willing to participate in this. Support through Ko-fi is also available. And if you are open to it, I will attribute credit to you publicly for the voluntary participation. I'll insert links to your channels/pages in the description of the final video I plan on publishing to give thanks to you all and celebrate my updated YouTube channel art. If any of you are interested, please leave a comment and we can discuss it further in a more private conversation. See you soon.